Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss about read-only mode in Postgres. You might get a situation where you want to put your Postgres database to read-only mode during migration for 15 minutes or 20 minutes temporarily. Okay, there could be another reasons also. Migration is one of the reasons. If you can see here, I have employees table. I can do the query and I can even do the insertion. I can do the updates currently. But I want to put this database to read-only mode so that inserts and updates won't be acceptable, even the alter statements also. For that, the default transaction read-only mode is off, which we want to turn it on to on only. We can run this alter statement, alter database date handling, and set default transaction mode to on. If you can do, now the default transaction read-only mode is on. Okay, let's try the insert statement. If I can try the insert statement, still it is working, insert statement, even though read-only mode is on. The reason for that is actually the active session is already open. Okay, you want to close this session and you want to open it again. For that, you can go to another table, the PG stat activity table, which will show you the active connections. What are the active connections? What is the state? What is the last query that was triggered in this session? And everything is available here. Okay, these are the active questions. Currently the data handling database is only one active connection is there, which I want to terminate. How you gonna terminate is, there is another query. It's the same query actually, but you want to run pg terminate backend. Okay, you don't want to take, you can usually do this thing also if you have process id, but it will be, if you have multiple connections, it will be a little bit painful. So that you can run this function on the select itself, pg terminate backend, and it will take process id as an argument. If you can do this thing, the connection is terminated. Now I want to create the new connection here. Okay, in pgadmin you don't have to do anything. Actually, you can try to when you run it will ask for the new connection because connection is terminated. When you do the select, it will work. Let's try insert. If I do the insert, it says actually cannot execute insert in a read-only mode transaction because it is in read-only. Okay, you can't do the update also. Now you can do the migration, and once your migration is done, you can turn on the read-only transaction mode to off. For suppose the migration is done, and I can go and do this read-only mode to off. Now it is done, and I can again do the connections because that connection is established with read-only mode as off on. And I want to do the terminate those existing connections so that I can re-establish the connection. Once I terminate the connection, I can go back and I can see. First I will try running the select query. Now it will work. Now can I see? Now it will insert it because it is back to the normal write only mode. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment. Bye bye. Take care.